Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Dropbox subscription and avoid losing files? Well, in order to go ahead and cancel your Dropbox subscription without losing your files, you must first ensure that all files are backed up locally or in another service, as your account will revert to the 2 GB basic free plan, which may be over for your current quota. So when you cancel a paid plan, your account downgrades to a free basic account at the end of the current billing cycle. While you won't immediately lose access to any files, you will be limited to 2 GB of storage. If your files exceed 2 GB, Dropbox will stop syncing them into your device. You will still be able to access them online, but you will need to reduce your storage usage to resume syncing or risk eventual data deletion in the account remains over quota and inactive for a long period. So in order to go ahead and cancel, all you need to do is log in into your Dropbox.com and then click your avatar or your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Select the Manage Account tab and then click on Cancel Plan at the bottom of the page. Select a reason for canceling and follow the prompts to confirm. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.